is time. It's time for the light round. Crazy Rebecca. Robert Paul's one of the same. The stocks that are buy, sell, Sarah. Don't know the core stock questions. That much step. First, play. You play the sound. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the light round, Cramer. Let's go to Mark in New York. Mark.
So, Jim, I recently joined the club, and I find that I'm learning a lot from it. So it's great.
Excellent. Thank you. Thank you.
As a club member, I know that you've recommended some pharmaceutical companies based on their developing new drugs, but I don't remember you ever recommending a biotech company. So I'm curious as to what you think about biotechs in general, and specifically the company Insmed.
Okay, one of the reasons I don't recommend a lot is because they lose so much money, and it's okay as a spec, but I don't put any specs in the charitable trust, none. That one is very speculative. It has lost a huge amount of money, so it's very hard for me to get a handle on it. Let's go to George in Arizona. George.
Big old wacky Wednesday booyah to you, Jim.
Thank you. What's going on?
I'd like to get to work on a stock. This San Francisco-based company provides high-resolution LiDARs for sensors in automobiles, factories, robots, cars, everything. I think they may have a future. What do you think about this stock? It's OUST, Ouster, Inc.
Yeah, you know, it's a LiDAR company, as you say, and the LiDAR companies have been losing a fortune. I don't think that there's anything investable honestly, in autonomous other than Tesla. Waymo's not enough of Alphabet. So I'm going to say no, too speculative. Let's go to John in Michigan. John.
Hey, Jim, I love the show.
Thank you.
I got a twofer.
Okay.
I'd like to know your opinion on where silver is going, and First Majestic Silver Corp.
Okay, I like silver. First Majestic, not familiar with. The one that I've always recommended is Pan American, because it's been profitable for a very long time. PAAS, that's the one you want to be in. Let's go to Michael in Tennessee, please. Michael.
Jim, how you doing?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Good. I've been following a stock that took a big hit in February. Been slowly recovering since then. Pays a 5 1/3% interest, and it's got a PE of about 14. So I'm wondering if this is the stock to go with, or there's a better one in the sector. The stock is FMC.
Philadelphia's own. Okay, FMC is a really interesting story because tonight the president put a 50% tariff on Brazil. Brazil is an agricultural competitor to us. FMC is an agricultural fungicide. They do a lot of different stuff to be able to make it so the harvest comes out. And I'd like to know, before I opine on it, what that 50% tariff will mean for their business. So this is a work in progress. I wish I knew, but I don't want to cuff it after what happened tonight, which was very dramatic. Let's go to Kurt in Illinois. Kurt.
Booyah, Jimmy C.
Booyah, yeah, right back, Kurt.
Hey, yeah, fly, Eagles, fly. We're going for that repeat, right, in 2 months.
Why not? Hard to get, but we'll try.
Hey, a quick statement. I just think these young people are going to push this A market higher like a tsunami, whether despite what the economy is doing.
And I'm sorry, which is the stock?
No, Tempus AI.
Oh, Tempus AI. Okay. Another company's just losing money hand over fist. I just can't go there. When it comes to AI, you know what I believe in. I believe in Nvidia. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, with the constant stream of news out of Washington, are investors overlooking some major corporate stories? Cramer's highlighting the biggest news you may have missed this week. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.